Good day, everybody. My name is Amit, and I will be presenting my extra credit questions. This is question number one, and I have chosen to do a different format than some of my classmates. I found out that reading the handwritten work was a little bit challenging for me, especially the font and everything. The work was good, but I thought that I would use technology to hopefully create a little bit easier content that's and questions that is easy for you to follow so you can look through the numbers and notes. I've put in a lot of amount of work on this and I hope you enjoy these extra credit questions. So to start off, the first question that I have for you is the average test score of all students in a certain class was measured to be 84 with a standard deviation of 15. If the margin of error was calculated to be 5.367 at a 95% confidence level, how many students were in the class? I would give you about 10 seconds to 20 seconds to take a look at this and then I'll share the solution. Okay, so hopefully you pause the video and you were able to look at it and approach it. But let's proceed with the solution on how I approached it. So my first step was to look at the given key information. We were given the average test score, which is 84. Standard deviation is 15. So mean was 84, standard deviation is 15. Margin of error is 5.367, and the confidence level is 95%. Then, in order to solve this problem and to calculate the sample size, and in this question it will be number of students, we can use the formula sample size equals z-score squared times standard deviation squared divided by margin of error squared. And when we start solving this, and we can use the z-score table, and we can see that for 95% confidence interval, the z-score is calculated to be 1.96. And we know that our standard deviation given is 15, and the margin of error is 5.367, significant to 3 decimal places. So when we plug these values that were given to us in the formula, we will find out that sample size equals 1.96 squared times 15 squared divided by 5.367 squared. So when you do the numerator, you get 864.36, and the denominator should give you 28.8 for a final answer of 30.012. And for the final solution, since we can only have whole number of students, we can round it up to 30 students. I hope you enjoyed this extra credit question number one. Thank you for viewing. Have a good day.